Sneaks01 and my YouTube fans. Sneaks, I'm not sure about the rubber cement you use, but you say you have to wait 24 hours. Well, I got something a little better. Victor brand rubber cement. From my past experience, this works faster, because it's the type of rubber cement they use to patch up holes in inner tubes using thicker patches. But like I said, this stuff works faster. Okay, you don't have to wait 24 hours for it to dry. This stuff dries a lot faster. Once you apply it to the balloon and the air hits it, it's still tacky. But when you put the patch to it and really make sure it's in there, you like to, what's the word, like kind of tamp a little or apply a little pressure to the patch to work out any air holes. That's one of the things you left out. And make sure there's no air between the patch and the balloon, except for the hole that you're repairing. And the bath, or in the solution to clean the balloon and the patch, this is what I use too. Always does the good job. You can't go wrong with isopropyl alcohol. Now, the other thing is, you need is either cornstarch or baby powder. If you don't have cornstarch, but you have baby powder around, use some of that. After the patch has dried, and work it in there so the balloon will not stick to itself. That's what I've been doing it since I was, let me see, when I started experimenting with this when I was 15. When I was 14 when I started experimenting, but then the urge to repair balloons came when I was 16 to 17 years old. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell, my friend. I'm not criticizing you or anything, just let you know my methods. This is Balloon45. Good day, good night, good evening, wherever you are.